I want to show you one of the best inventions ever here. It is a single pan for making eggs. Now let me see if I can even do this with one hand. I've already cracked this egg. I want to see if I can get this thing in the pan. There we go. That's not too bad. Right? All it does is make one egg. But think about how easy that thing is to clean up like that. Just very, very super easy. And sometimes I even take like a piece of cheese and put it on top there. Or you could, of course, put some cream or milk in it and make a cheese omelet very easily. But I love this thing. Sometimes I'd actually like to have two of them so I could have one going on each burner. That would be nice, but just thought I'd show you guys this. I bought this at Kohls, and it wasn't too expensive. I don't know, maybe something like $11.99 or something like that. But I've only had it for about a month, and I've used this thing just about probably 2 or 3 times a week already. All right, this is John. Thanks for watching.